Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Sign into Teams and choose App versus Web. You want full features, so install when possible. Once signed in, verify mic, camera, and speaker in device settings so audio and video work. Now create a meeting directly from a channel, calendar, or chat. Name the meeting, add attendees, and pick date and time. Make sure to set a clear purpose. That keeps the meeting focused and respects everyone's time. Once the meeting starts, manage participants and roles actively so you control flow and permissions. Admit people from the lobby and assign presenter rights to those who will share content. This prevents unwanted sharing. Use screen share with window selection to avoid exposing private content and enable recording if documentation is required. Use live captions for accessibility and run breakout rooms for small group discussions. Make sure to monitor chat and raised hands. To finish, summarize decisions and assign action items with deadlines so everyone knows next steps. Once done, stop recording, download the video and transcript, and upload materials to the meeting chat or relevant channel for later reference. For follow-up, schedule a brief recap or set reminders inside Teams. If you hit problems, audio dropouts, or sharing failures, first check network and permissions, then update or restart the app. If that fails, rejoin the meeting and notify participants so you can continue without wasting time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.